Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS on Gravity Forms submission. So if you are collecting your customer details with the help of Gravity Forms and then you are manually sending SMS to all these customers, you can automate the entire process. Here let's suppose I am running a travel company and with the help of Gravity Forms, I am collecting all my customer details and then I am manually sending SMS to all these customers. But now I want that as soon as I receive the customer detail, a SMS should be sent automatically to all these customers. I can automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Gravity Forms and Twilio. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Gravity Forms where the new form submission will be made and this complete workflow will get triggered. And in my action application, I will take Twilio where the SMS will be sent to all these customers automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS on Gravity Form submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Gravity Forms and Twilio with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking me to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to send SMS on Gravity Form submission. Now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here as we want to send SMS on Gravity Form submission, which means whenever a form will be submitted, an SMS will be automatically sent to all the customers, which means whenever a form submission will be made, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here our trigger application will be Gravity Forms and our trigger event will be new response. Now I need to make connection between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect for which a webhook URL is given to us and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Gravity Forms with Pabbly Connect. So as to make this connection, let me take you to Gravity Forms. So this is my app dashboard of WordPress and as Gravity Form is plugin of WordPress, on the left hand side, I can see all these options. Here I have already installed the plugin of Gravity Forms. So here I will click on Forms. And this is the form that I'll be using in this workflow. The name of this form is Contact Form. So I will click on Edit. And over here, I can see two options, Settings and Entries. Here I have to click on Settings. And if I scroll down, I will be able to find an option of webhooks. I have to open this. And on the right hand side, I can see an option of add new. So click on this, add new. And here I have to first name my webhook. So let's say testing Gravity Forms. Then in this field, which is requested URL, I need to enter the URL which I was provided in my trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly and from over here, I have to copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I simply need to scroll down and click on Save Settings. Settings updated. Now let's go back to Pabbly, and over here I can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it's written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So let's go back to my Gravity Forms, and from over here click on this preview option, and let's enter some dummy details over in these fields. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, my phone number is, and my email address is new22@pabblytudes.com. Click on submit. So we have successfully submitted a form. Now let's go back to Pabbly and check whether we have received this response there or not. Over here we can see we have instantly captured the response. The phone number was this, email address was this, first name was new, last name was user. This means Gravity Forms is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we want to send SMS as soon as we receive the form submission. So here our action application will be Twilio, and our action event will be send SMS message. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And to make this connection, we have to enter all these details. So the first one is account SID, authorization token, and then account SID again. So as to enter this, let me take you to my Twilio account. This is my Twilio account, and if I scroll down, I will be able to find all these details. So over here, I can find my account SID, my auth token, and my Twilio number. So from here, I will simply copy my account SID and paste it over here. And then I have to copy my authorization token. So I will copy this and paste it over here. Now I will click on save. And Twilio is connected with Pabbly Connect. And now I need to enter all these details. So the first one is body of the SMS. So I need to draft a message in a format I want to send to all my customers and contacts. So here I will simply write dear customer. Now over here I need to enter my number and the recipient number. So over here you need to enter your sender number with which you are going to send this SMS. So here my sender number will be my Twilio number. So over here I will go back to Twilio and copy this phone number and simply paste it over here. And then I need to enter the recipient number. So to enter this, you are going to use a method called mapping, which means you are going to enter the detail over here from the response you have received in your previous step. So over here, we have received response from Gravity Forms. So you will click on Gravity Forms and map the phone number as this one. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. If I manually type a number, it will become static, and whenever you receive a new response from your Gravity Forms, the recipient number will not change. So that's why we use mapping to keep the field dynamic over here. But for now, I am going to erase this number and enter my own number because that was a dummy number and I have to show you the message that I will receive as SMS from Twilio on my number. So I will enter my own number and next simply click on Save and Send Test Request. So over here I have received the response. Now I have to open my inbox and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here I have received the message successfully. It reads as, "Dear customer, thank you for your interest. We have received your details. We will get back to you shortly. If you have an immediate inquiry, you can contact us at this number. Thank you, Voyage Ventures." So we have successfully created automation between Gravity Forms and Twilio with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.